Is it nice? Ayan, no? We'll go parasailing, ha? Next. Isa-isa po kayo dyan, ha? Hindi po yung ganito, ha? Hindi po yung, listen, wait lang, ha? Hindi po kayo 30 tayo. Tapos isa na magpaparasail para makuha lang ng video. Hindi mo natin gagawin yun, ha? Lahat kayo isa-isa magpaparasail. Are you with me? Okay? Kasi may nagtanong sa aking distributor, Sir, baka yung mga jet ski, pag nag-jet ski, isang jet ski lang alkilahin, tapos hati-hati kami lahat. Ay, hindi ko gagawin yun pala. Next. Next. Ayan. Jet ski. Next. And then we will visit the main city. Next. Okay, it will be November 23, 2025. Okay? So may mga taga-UAE, you still have time. Oh, pati ko. Ayan. Ito na po yung highlight before we end the night. Are you ready? I will announce a travel. I will announce a travel. Free travel.
Jenny Rose, ano? Huwag naman Europe.
Alam nyo, may clamor na pumunta tayo dito sa Asia na to. Ano? May sabay, ano? Ano? Last one. Ano? Wait lang. Guys. You know, I've been criticized because of this travel incentive. Na sobrang dali raw ng travel natin.
Oh my God! 20 pairs! Japan!
Sobrang dali daw ng travel natin. Okay. But again, wala tayong pakialam dyan.
Tama!
Importante madali para masaya.
Yes! Happy boss!
So sa lahat ng bano ngayon, and sa mga distributors, saan nyo gusto pumunta? Saan nyo gusto? Mali kayong lahat. Next. Alam nyo, kahit ako kinikilabutan. Ask me why. Kasi gusto ko kayo lahat dalhin to. Next, please. Sinong gusto pumunta dyan? Next. Pakikita ko na sa inyo yung tour para ma-motivate na kayo. Sa mga bago dyan, tandaan nyo, walang imposible. Kaya nyo po ito. Next. This is... Alam nyo, hirap na hirap ako i-pronounce ito. Jardin di Tuilere. Tama ba? Okay. Ang hirap i-pronounce. Basta may pambayad tayo, pumunta na lang tayo. Next. Okay, wait. Okay. Ito lang ang bukod tanging pinractice ko, ladies and gentlemen. Fondesa. Sabihin nyo nga? Okay, makinig kayo. Merong trick para matutunan nyo pagdating natin doon. Para ma-pronounce nyo ng tama. Ask me how. Alalahanin nyo yung breakfast sa umaga. Pandesa. So, gawin ko yung pandesa. Tawa. Well, this is a famous bridge, guys. Nandyan yung love lock. Okay, so sa mga hopeless romantic, magdala na po kayo ng padla para hindi na kayo bumili ron, ha? Okay? So, next. Next. Yeah. Next. Okay, sino sumunod dito? The Louvre. Next. Ayan o, makikita nyo na po si Mona Lisa. Actually, pati yata yung Da Vinci Code dito sinut eh. Next. Ayan. Okay, I'll stop here, right? Sa Notre Dame. Okay. Now, I want you to watch a video. And I know all of you are wondering ilang pairs ito. Gano'ng kahirap ba ito? Again, numbers will never lie. Watch this video.
Smile and say bonjour for the city of love and one of the most romantic places in the world awaits you. Yes, Jason Premier is going to know what the city of lights has to offer. Here we come, Paris. Known as the fashion capital of the world, this city has a long history of art and rich culture. From museums, restaurants, cafes, and parks, it offers endless activities to experience French culture. Let us all uncover layers of Paris by visiting some of its main attractions like the ever so captivating Eiffel Tower, one of the most visited attractions for this truly a beautiful sight to behold. Stroll around the alluring park of Jardin de Trône, a cultural walking place for Parisians and tourists. Visit the pedestrian bridge and see all the attached love lots on it. The Pont des Arts. This bridge is especially popular with couples. Be amazed with the world's largest art museum and a historic monument in Paris with over 1 million pieces of art. The Louvre. Get a chance to visit Notre Dame. Its Gothic architecture and the stained glass windows of its interior are stunning. Indulge on the many appetizing restaurants of the city. Wander around, experience the nightlife, shop, or just relax. Here at Jason Premier, your lifelong dreams are attainable through our extravagant travel incentives. Just get 50 platinum sales badge. Trip to Paris. Easy to get anywhere. You deserve it.
Are you happy? I'd like to formally announce that this trip will just be 50 cents much. This is just a giveaway.
My God! Grabe na!
I want you to feel na lahat kayo pwede makasama. Let's make it happen. Are you with me? So to end this night, ladies and gentlemen, my beloved distributors, I would just like to share a short story na naalala ko kagabi. Ask me what? 4 years ago, I was just 29 years old then. We attended a birthday party. I was with Consejal Bernard de la Cruz. Attended a birthday party somewhere in Quezon City, in Blumentritt, if I'm not mistaken. We met a lot of network leaders and some MLM owners. Are you with me? We were there. Kwentuhan, alam mo na, di ba? Then suddenly, nakakwentuhan ko isang MLM owner. At that point in time, nagda-dry run pa lang kami ng JC Premier. Wala pa kami masyadong products. Wala pa, simula pa lang, dry run. And si Ninong, nasa tabi ko siya. Kwentuhan, kakausap yung MLM owner. Then, suddenly, I was taken aback. Medyo na-offend ba ako? Are you with me? Yes! Nagulat ako dahil bigla nang sinabi, Jonathan, payo ko lang sa'yo, isara mo yung kumpanya mo. Sabi, isara mo yung kumpanya mo, inayasin mo ay, bata bata ka pa eh. You don't have the skills. Hindi mo alam ginagawa mo. Yan ang mga salitang binitawan sa akin. Sara mo na yan at sumama ka na lang sa akin. Okay. To cut the long story short, alam ko, gutom na kayo at pagod na kayo. But this will help you. To cut the long story short, unfortunately, 4 years after, close na sila. Now, I don't want you to laugh. Kasi unfortunately, hindi ko gusto mangyari yun. Are you with me?
Yes!
Though, fortunately, with all humility, here we are now. Admired by most of our industry peers today. What is the moral lesson? Bakit ko sinabi yun? I want you to understand. I want to reiterate this and inculcate this in your mind. That it all should start from believing. You should believe in yourself. You should believe that you can do it. You should believe in your team. That your team can help you. You should believe in your mentors. That your mentors can guide you. And of course, believe in your company. Because it has your best intentions at heart. And above all, believe that JC Premier is here to secure your future. Again, this is your dark horse. To God be the glory. Welcome to the good life.
Alright, thank you so much. President CEO Mr. Jonathan So. Talagang hindi kami makatutulog yan sa mga trend announcements na yan. Ibang klase talaga ang JC Premier! Mga ka-JC, we're not done yet. Let's party the night away. Put your hands together and start rocking as we party away. The Ichigo!
Hi guys, good morning! si Ron Tanan siya ayun ba from Genesis 1:11 and Chris Manahan from Genesis. You're also from okay, very good. Hello mga Genesis fan. What's up? Okay, yung mga natira dito